Some common signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. 1. Fatigue and weakness. One of the most common and early signs of vitamin D deficiency is feeling unusually tired or weak, even after rest. 2. Bone and back pain. Vitamin D plays a key role in calcium absorption, which is essential for bone health. Deficiency can lead to bone pain or muscle weakness, particularly in the lower back and legs. Long-term deficiency of vitamin D can contribute to bone density loss, increasing the risk of fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. Third, frequent illness or infections. Vitamin D is important for the immune system. Low levels can make you more susceptible to colds, flu, and other infections. Fourth, depression. Vitamin D is linked to mood regulation, and deficiency may contribute to feelings of sadness, depression, or low mood, especially in the winter months. Symptoms can include feeling down, irritable, or experiencing mood swings. 5. Hair loss. Severe vitamin D deficiency can contribute to hair thinning or hair loss, particularly in women, due to its impact on hair follicle health. 6. Muscle pain and weakness. Low levels of vitamin D can cause muscle weakness, leading to difficulty in performing everyday activities or maintaining balance. It also causes muscle pain or cramps due to its role in muscle function. 7. Heart disease. There is some evidence suggesting that vitamin D deficiency could be linked to an increased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke.